Hi again. We are here. We had to come to the mechanic, obviously, to regenerate the button. The machine. So it's something to, I guess, reset the button, and now it's actually DPRing. Um, this was our last resort. Obviously, we are not taking out the filter, the DPF filter yet. Hopefully, with the liquid that we put in with the Lucas, which was Jesus, I hope they didn't take it. I wanted to show you guys. It's just like a little secret, I guess, from truck drivers when they don't want or they don't have the time to take out the filter, the DPF filter. So obviously this wasn't the case. The case was that we were not able to pull out the two top bolts from the filter. There's 18 of them, like I said on my other videos. We took them all out. Obviously, just the two bolts on top. We couldn't get our hands in there, or let alone any ratchet or any tools. And so now we had to call somebody from the valley. He has a professional computer and everything, and is getting it done. I recommend these guys a lot. They're very professional. So hopefully it yeah. So yeah. So the guy is saying that the burner fuel kit is not going up to 600 or 1,000. That's what it usually should be. It's kind of low. That's because it's clogged up. Yeah, the burner system and the injectors, we cleaned them out. And first 3 minutes, 5 minutes are 700. So the burner's it just burns the shit out of the beginning part, and then it just throws the heat into the catalytic, and the catalytic starts pulsing, and starts going into the DPF. Makes a lot of sense. So might be the sensors. If that's the case, then I guess we're gonna have to make an appointment to get, professional Hino dealer assistance. But for now, we just gotta get this running for at least 2-3 jobs, and that way we'll be able to actually order a brand new filter, because that is what the problem is. We already changed the fuses, the auxiliary cords, and stuff like that. The burner fuel kit, we changed them, sensors, and a couple of fuses that went out. So now we are waiting for it to see if the DPR system goes up to 1,000 or 700 Fahrenheit. That's great. Keep you guys posted.